everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Guide. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. This channel helps you in improving your analytical thinking. Here I will be posting the tricks of mathematics and some teasers which will tease your brain. So let's start with our mathematics trick for today. We have an easy trick to square a two-digit number ending with 5. Yeah, finding the square of two-digit number is quite complicated. Let's make it easy. Consider the example of squaring 45. Here in 45, 4 is the ones digit and 5 is a tens digit. 4 is in ones place and 5 is in tens place. In the step 1, we have to take the tens digit, that is 4 in this case, and we have to add 1 to it. So we get 5 as a number. In step 2, you have to multiply the added number and the tens digit number, that is 4 into 5, which is equal to 20. And this 20 becomes the first part of your answer. Now take the 5, which is ones digit, and square it. We know that square of 5 is 25. And this 25 becomes the second part of your answer. Now combining the first part 20 and second part 25, we have the square of 45 as 2025. Wasn't that simple? Now similarly you can find the square of 85. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 into 9 is 72 and square of 5 is 25. 7225. You hardly need 3 seconds for this calculation, guys. I hope this trick was helpful for you. That was so simple, guys. This is how you love maths and have a happy learning. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.